Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Today I have this electric toothbrush from Oral-B, the model Pro 3 3500 cross-action black edition with travel case. Already out from the box, the toothbrush comes with a sturdy travel case, which is perfect for storing the toothbrush and keeping it protected during travel, ensuring that it stays clean and ready for use on the go. You can have here your toothbrush and two brush head round with 3D technology. The cross-action brush head features angled bristles that are designed to cover more surface area and reach deep between teeth for a superior clean. With a yellow ring at the front, you can install that, remove and install other ring. And of course you can buy replacements, other type of brushes, what suits better for you. And of course we have the charging base with 1 meter cable, plug it in, and there is the toothbrush, black glossy design, I like it. Soft material here at the on-off button. You can install the brush head. Inside it has a powerful rechargeable lithium battery, offers up to 2 weeks of brushing on a full charge, making it convenient for both daily use and travel. And there it is, it's charging. We can see on the LED indicator. With a built-in timer ensures that you brush for the dentist recommended 2 minutes, pausing every 30 seconds to remind you to switch to another quadrant of your mouth for an even clean. And with the on-off button you can turn it on and off. The toothbrush comes with 3 different modes: daily clean, sensitive and whitening, allowing you to customize your brushing experience based on your needs or preference. First, second, nice! And it is so easy to change between modes, only with 1 button. And we can see in this ring around, transparent, it is red, 360 degrees gum pressure control. This feature protects your gums by signaling you if you are pressing too hard. It turns red and automatically slows brush speed. Nice! Sleek and elegant design that definitely it will fit at your bathroom or wherever you want to have your toothbrush. And of course you can have it at this position, flat surface, or at this position. The toothbrush is fully waterproof, allowing for safe and convenient use in the shower if desired. The Oral-B Pro 3 3500 cross-action is an excellent choice for those seeking a powerful and versatile electric toothbrush. Its advanced cleaning features, pressure sensor and included travel case makes it a convenient option for maintaining excellent oral hygiene both at home and on the go. I have been using this toothbrush for a week now and I have clean teeth and fresh feeling in my mouth. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, make sure to give it a like and hit the subscribe button for more reviews and hygiene tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.